What's up? We're back again with another video. This one's Lake Keowee, and the first part of this video, I am practicing the Saturday before a tournament out of my own boat. And then that same day, my partner Jeremy was also in his boat practicing as well, and we were both covering different parts of the lake. So we were able to cover a lot of water in one day. And then I didn't film Sunday, but the day after that, we also practiced together and went and fished all new water. And that really helped us, you know, decide where we wanted to fish. So Sunday was nice because we went way up the river system there. Barely caught anything, which was nice because then we were able to pretty much cross that whole part of the lake off and not have that in the back of our head during the tournament. So here's the video. I hope you like it. Check it out. This was a fun one. We got some redemption from the old goose egg we got last tournament, so we'll see what happens. Here we go. It's doing a Ned rig on these docks. And I'm getting hammered. Fishing the windblown cove. The water temperature is 58 degrees. And we having fun right now. Caught 6 in the past 30 minutes. There ain't nobody over here. Oh, just let it sink. And they're nailing it. They are nailing it. There he is. Another one. Oh, small one. That's the first non-keeper of the day. What do we have, 7? We have 7. I've got more bites on the leeward, the downwind side of the dock. Caught a couple 2.5 pound spots. Some good fish up in here. If we can get the same wind, this might work out for our tournament next week. But they really like this bait. It's just a little, I don't remember what this one's called, but I gotta fix it. But it's just I saw there's a lot of bait in these pockets right now, and this looks just like the bait. It's got the green back, little silverish body, getting the job done. Let's get it pitched up in there in that dock. See what happens. Oh yeah, good one. Little chunker. Look at that Ned rig up in his mouth. I don't know, pound. Boop. That's a quick release. There we go. Yeah, that's a keeper, I think.
That's keeper.
That's fat. At least I didn't. All right, perfect. That's a fat one. Number 3. Keeper number 3. Let's just make sure he's a keeper. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. 657. Man, I told you, I had that feeling all week that I need to throw this bait. I had this feeling all week I need to throw a Magic Swimmer. Just random. I was driving around working. I had that thought. They're hitting it when I work it slower.
I run on a 5 to 2.
Just barely reeling this thing.
But I left that right at home.
Dude, that was a fatter fish. Yeah, that's a little bit fatter one.
Alright, summer's going on, buddy. Come on, sweetheart. Pull him on in. Pull him on in.
That's a better fish. Kinda. Not really. Let's keep her though. Alright, we're good. I got it. Number 4. Dude, we're on to something. Even though we've got about 5 pounds. Hey, we're already redeeming ourselves from that last week though. Look at that. Is there a, do you have the aerator on or is it automatic?
No.
Swimming this thing over those trees, they can't say no. Big old heron swimming by. Oh yeah, a little bit better.
Oh, he's red-eyed too, dude.
All right, number 5. Now we got some serious upgrading to do, brother. We need some upgrades. Just make sure. Yep. All right, we got about 5 pounds.
We gotta have more than 5 pounds.
I mean, that's 6 maybe?
We've got to have at least 8.
You think so?
Yeah, we got to have at least 8.
In here right now?
Yeah, we got to have at least 8.
It's a little high, I think. You're good. Just bring it over it. Whack one first. Got him.
You got him?
Yeah. This might be a better fish. Oh yeah, maybe, I can't tell. That's a little bit better.
Where you going?
I don't know. You got a scale?
Yep, I got
All right.
2. 1.
Okay. Check that one.
14.
So this one's the smallest. And this one was how much? This one was 1.
Yeah, I'll just throw him in there.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. We'll call these 2 for sure. These ones are decent. I mean, look at this one. This one's pretty fat.
And right here's gonna be 2.5.
Let's see. He's zeroed.
Nope. God, dog it.
He's spawning. Look at his tail.
Oh, come on now. All right. 1.7. Oh. I mean, that ain't
1.7. That almost looks like a largemouth.
Oh, you reset, you little butthole. Undo that again. It reset and then it.
I got him.
$1.5 even.
And then we already got that one. I think
He's upside down, so I wish he wasn't upside down.
he's fine.
That's gonna be a 1.2. 1.6.
So
2.5 pounder now.
So 1.6 plus 1.5 is 3, 4.5, 5.5, about 6.5 pounds right now. All right, let's get back. All right, guys. 8:49. We've done 1 cull, but we gotta get some major upgrades. We need some 2-pounders, 3-pounders, 4-pounders. We gotta roll.
All right.
Maybe.
Looks pretty good. Maybe?
I got it. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a heavy one. That's a heavy one. That's a coal, baby.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't even.
I'm not gonna weigh him, but
I wouldn't weigh that one yet.
no, I'm not going
It
to.
looks like about a 1.2 at least.
The fish are still here, bro.
He ate his feed, didn't he?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I got my hat on back.
Which one was the one? The one was the one without the coal tag.
Yeah.
And then the 1.2 was the one with the coal tag. Yeah.
I wasn't ready for it, dude.
Coaling up, baby, at 9 o'clock. That's 2 coals, dude.
Good, good. You got me one bite and I didn't even think about it.
Boom, baby. Freaking boom. We're gonna cut some checks today, son. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. You know how fired up I got freaking chills right now. This is freaking awesome.
You got chills.
It's 9 in the morning and we're coaling, dude. Have you ever coaled this early?
No. No, I start calling about 12, 1 o'clock.
It's just fun when you catch a lot of fish too.
Say again, Steve. You don't need no help.
I got it. All right.
Wait a minute. That's only 3.
No, it's not. That's 5.
No, it's not.
You freaking scared me. So we finished out the tournament with 7-9. It took 10 pounds even to win. And I think we were out of the money by like 1 pound. So it was close, but I think the first part of the morning we did great. We fished Jeremy's spot that he found in practice first, and we caught our limit on it, as you can see in the video. And then we went to the docks that I fished in practice, and I've got a little bit of practice footage in the beginning of the video, and you can see me catch fish there. And then in the tournament, we went and caught those same fish right there on those docks. So that really paid off, and we really were able to cull up some fish with those dock fish. After we fished the stretch of docks, I think we made, you know, if we could go back and change things, we made a bad decision. So at that point, we were like, all right, it was like 10 o'clock in the morning. We were like, we're gonna go look for largemouth. And on Lake Keowee, that's kind of a hit or miss thing. There's not a big population of them. They're really hard to find. And Jeremy and I don't have a lot of time fishing on Keowee. So we just went and fished new water for, I wanna say 3 or 4 hours. And that didn't pan off at all, or pan out. So then we went and started fishing a couple history spots. Nothing happened there. And then on the way in, I found a brush pile in practice that I caught a good, 2 pound spot on. So on the way back in, we stopped by there and threw my swim bait over the brush pile, swimming it over, watched the bass come up, follow it, and I went to set the hook too early and ripped it away. So we did lose a couple of key fish. We lost, we missed the opportunity there, and then Jeremy lost a good fish on a jig. So those 2 mistakes on both our ends hurt us. And making that move, trying to go fish new water, we really probably could have milked out the docks, and probably could have checked just milking out docks and just fishing new docks and just sticking to that pattern. But it is what it is. It's how you learn. We're both honing our skills in these team tournaments. It's really fun. Get to fish as a team. And yeah, next one's coming up on Hartwell. We're really excited about that one. Actually just bought some baits that just came out that I think are going to do awesome. And we're hoping to get a win. We're hoping to get a win on this next tournament. I want to win every tournament, but we're both feeling confident about this next one. So we'll see what happens. We're both fired up, making it happen. Thanks for watching these videos. Let me know if you like them. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Jeremy for letting me fish with him on his team. And we gotta make some money next time.
Oh, we'll make some money next time.
We gotta make some money next time. See ya.